Welcome. Today I will teach you how to invite someone to manage your YouTube channel. Okay, so the advantage of this method is that it makes your account very secure as compared to how you give your login details to someone. So for you to invite someone to manage your YouTube channel, you need to follow these steps I'm going to be showing you.
Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But straight to the point tech.
Welcome. Today I will teach you how to invite someone to manage your YouTube channel. Okay, so the advantage of this method is that it makes your account very secure as compared to how you give your login details to someone. So for you to invite someone to manage your YouTube channel, you need to follow these steps I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so the first thing is that you see this icon here, click on it, and you see this setting icon, click on it. Then you see channel permission, you click on it, click on channel permission. Now you see this owner and manager. This is someone that they invited. You come down to this invite, you click invite. But before there's enter email, before you enter email, make sure you read about the functions you are giving someone. For example, manager can view everything, manage permission, go live and create, edit and delete content. So if you trust this person, you give editor can view everything, go live and edit content, can manage permission or delete content. That's editor. Editor limited, same permission as editor but can view revenue data. And subtitle editor can add, edit and remove subtitles, can view anything else. Viewer can view everything, can create or edit or delete. Viewer limited, same permissions as viewer but can view revenue data. Now these are just the short descriptions of the functionalities. If you want to read more, you go to YouTube and read more about inviting people to manage your YouTube channel. So before you put someone's email there, make sure it's a trusted person. Okay, now you enter the person's email. Maybe you enter the person's email. After entering the person's email, click on send invitation. Okay, when you send invitation, the email will enter the person you are inviting will receive an email like this one. Oosh, I've deleted email like this one. You have been invited to access that. Accept invitation. Immediately the person clicks this accept invitation, the person will automatically become a manager in your channel. If you give the manager role or editor or any role you take. So when you put the email, you click the role you want the person to take. That's it.
I have similar videos on this channel. Please check them out.